Explorers, this is your lead scientist, Miss Shirley. Today's lesson is how to group and sort animals by learning about the animal homes. In our last class, we learned more about ways to sort and group animals that we've studied during this unit of exploring different animal habitats. Today, by the end of this lesson, we're going to learn which animals can fly, different types of animals that build their homes, and then different types of animals that find their homes. Let's introduce some words we need to learn for this lesson. A hive is the container for housing honeybees, and this is what a honeybee hive looks like. A nest, a shelter made by an animal, especially a bird, for its egg and its young, and so this is what a bird nest looks like. Cave is a naturally occurring area under the surface of the earth, and this is what a bat cave looks like, and it's not where Batman lives. Den, the shelter of a wild animal like a fox den. Well, this is what a bear den looks like. Web is a network of threads spun especially by the larva of a certain insect, as spiders, and usually serving as a shelter. And this is what a spider web looks like. And it is not for Spider-Man, guys. Burrow, a hole in the ground made by the animal, as a rabbit or a fox, for shelter. And this is what a rabbit burrow looks like. Okay, Science Explorers, we're going to investigate and explore some questions. But before we do that, let's go ahead and watch this Edpuzzle National Geographic video on animal homes together. And then we're going to answer some questions. Embedded in this Edpuzzle video are the questions, but we're just going to watch the video for now to learn. Please pay attention to this cute girl who's reading this book.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Ambi's Science Discovery channel. Today I'm reading Animal Homes. Will you read with me? Okay, let's get started. Vocabulary: tree, animals, bee, bird, bat, fox, deer, bear, spider, rabbit. Animal homes: hive, nest, cave, den, web, burrow. Animals need a place to live. Some animals build their homes. Bees build a hive. Honeybees. Birds use grass and twigs. They make a nest. Other animals find their homes. Some bats sleep in caves. They hang onto the rocks. Some homes are low. A fox lives in a den. It's in the ground. Some homes are high. A bird lives in a nest. It's up in the tree. Bengal eagle. Some animals sleep in many homes. Deer walk all day. Then they find a new place to rest. Oh, look at that baby deer. Other animals sleep in one home all the time. Some bears sleep in a den. They sleep there all winter. Some homes are for one animal. A spider lives on a web. It lives alone. Aww, lonely spider. Other homes are for animals' families. Rabbits live together. They live in a burrow. There are many kinds of homes. Some even move. Your turn. Match each animal to its home.
Okay, Science Explorers, we're going to explore some questions about animal homes. So, looking at the vocabulary tree, we know that the animals are bee, bird, bat, fox, deer, bear, spider, and rabbit. And the animal homes are hive, nest, cave, den, web, and burrow. Which animals can fly? Think, 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 Science Explorers. Write your response. Which animals need a place to live? Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. What kind of home does this animal live in? Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Where does this animal live? Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Where is the den? Is it high up in the tree? Is it next to the pond? Or is it in the ground? Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. True or false? Some bears live in a den all winter. Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Where does a rabbit family live? Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Looking at this picture of this creature, share some detail about it in the blue box below. Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Now, I'd like you to write the name of one animal who makes this habitat their home. Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. And to summarize, I'd like you to draw a line connecting the animal to its habitat. So think, 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 science explorers. Match these words. Finally, what did you think of today's lesson? Okay, science explorers, today we learned about the different type of animals and their animal homes and their habitats. Until the next time, ciao for now, science explorers.